Very often in our exam, we have to work out percentage. So let's see how we do that. So in this question, it's a question about children that are in crash. And they are giving us a data about the age of the children and how many children in that particular age bracket. So we have to work out percentage of children in the crash who are age 1 and 2 years. Give your answer correct to the nearest percent. So 1 and 2 years, that's the one we are interested in. So how do we work out percentage? So percentage comes from a fraction. Always remember fraction, the most basic idea is that at the bottom of the fraction, I have the whole cake. On the top of the fraction, I have my slice of cake. So in this case, the whole cake is what? All children. So all children. And the slice I'm interested in is 1 to 2 years old. Okay, so let's put numbers to that. 1 to 2 years old, we have 10 of them. And then all children, all of those children. So it is 6 and 10 and 19 and 3 and 5. Now, why do we start with the fraction? Because the fraction, when we put that in the calculator and press equal, what do we get? A decimal. And in this case is 0.23255. Now, decimal can be changed to percentage. How? We either multiply by 100 or we take that decimal and we move to places. So that means 23.255%. And the terms and conditions are saying to the nearest percent. Therefore, we cut off the decimal. And since decimal is less than 5, therefore we are left with 23%.